guys, Steve here from RC Steve B. I don't normally do this sort of thing, but I've just ordered a new D90 body from eBay, and while I was trying to look for things on YouTube to see what the body looked like, I couldn't find anything from the UK. So I thought, well, okay, if there's nothing out there, why not do something? A little bit of backstory. A lot of you know that I recently swapped a chassis with Mad Mike Worthington, and I'll put a link up to his channel at the end of this video, and it was this one. It was the sawback chassis, and you may have seen in my other videos that I put a Ford F350 body on it. It was good, but I never really liked it. It always looked a bit wrong for me, and being the sort of person who likes to do the scale side of things rather than the you know, making sure that it will go up a vertical wall sort of thing, I decided that I was going to try and change the body. So Mike gave me this, which I've always wanted, the FJ40 body, and I was really excited. Gave it to me at the weekend, but when I got home and went to put it on the chassis, as you can see, the chassis is a little bit longer than the body. So I decided to have a look round and saw on eBay these D90 bodies, and I think they were about £35, which I thought was brilliant compared to the RC four-wheel drive D90 bodies. So I ordered one. Only ordered it late last week. No, actually, I think it was Sunday. Yeah, I think it was Sunday actually when I got back. When I got back from the meeting. You'll see the video that I've just posted of the meeting that we had at Earlswood on Sunday, and ordered this body, and it arrived today in the box. So I don't normally do the unboxing videos, as I said before, but we're going to open it and we're going to see what's inside the box. I am going to do something with this, but I think I'm going to have a look around for Tamiya CC01 chassis, which this is supposed to fit on, which is a little bit shorter. And if you have watched my channel, you'll know that I absolutely do love my CC01 Hilux, which I've built. So without further ado, let's get the craft knife out and see what's inside this box, and see if it's as good as it appears to be, and hopefully I haven't bought a lemon. Right, let's have a look, shall we, and see what's in here. It's like Christmas. Ah, well, it appears to be very well packed. I mean, I will say that. Let's have a look and see what we've got. Right, here we have the light bezels, door handles and air vents. Here we have glasses and light lenses, which is good because I will be putting lights on it. Here we have bumpers. And oh, they look quite good actually, quite detailed. Yeah, I quite like those. Very nice. Lift this out. Ah, into the baby itself. Let's have a look at that. Now then, one of the big things that people said when they were actually looking at it online was the fact that there was a lot of plastic that they had to cut off and sand down. But I've got to say, I'm not actually seeing much. It looks very, very clean. It really does. There's some nice detailing on it. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. I'm coming a bit closer. You can see the rivets going around there, the inset fuel can, door hinges, and the inset door handles, which you've just seen in that other package. Oh, there's some overspray there. There's a bit. Yeah, didn't see that. So yeah, but that can be, that's not a big problem. Not a big problem at all. Right, so we'll put that on there for the moment. Oh, more goodies inside the bag. Now here, oh, that's the instrument panel and binnacle from the looks of it. Again, that looks quite nice. Not much, well, no bits of plastic on there that need trimming. Here is the tub with the seats, again quite detailed. You've got the cushions there, which obviously can be painted. Obviously the four-wheel drive and gear stick shift go there, and I like the way that it's actually all enclosed, which means that it should be able fairly easy to actually put a driver in there, because there looks like there's quite a bit of leg room there. So even if using an action figure I have to take the bottom part of the legs off, I could still leave the thighs on to go over, or just chop the feet off even, which should be quite good. More silver parts. They are the running boards, side steps, rock sliders, whatever it is you want to call them. They look quite good as well, again with some nice detailing on the tread pattern. More lenses, more glass. This is for the windows from the looks of it, front and rear. Yeah, they're probably going to have to be painted there. That's the little bits that flap down. Air vents. Ah, door cards. Now that I didn't expect. I will be honest, I did not expect door cards. A lot of these kits don't come with door cards, and as you can see from there, again, they're quite detailed, which is absolutely brilliant, because I do love the scale side of things. Here we have steering wheel and mirrors, and again these come complete with the glasses in, well, the little reflective glass type things in there, but you can see it's a nice scale Land Rover wheel. Don't know what else is in there, won't know till I actually open it. Can't see. Oh, rear view mirror as well, look at that. Don't know if you can actually see that there. Yeah, there we go, little rear view mirror. Very, very nice. Light lenses. Seems to be a lot there for the vehicle. Whether or not they give you a few spares, I don't know, but we'll have to wait and see. But there is a, oh no, because you've got front and rear, haven't you? Oh, it's all right. Leave me alone. I won't hurt anybody. So yeah, front and rear light lenses, which again will look good when I have a coloured bulb in there. Light bezels and front grille, which will be sprayed black, I think, for the colour scheme that I'm going to go. I think these are actually going to go matte black, but it is nice for them to actually be silvered up. But again, we shall see what we shall see. That's all that one. And here we have the seats. The seats come in two parts from the looks of it. You get the seat fronts there and the seat backs there. And yeah, same with the rear seats as well, the little folding seats at the back. Again, I think you get, yeah, fronts and rears, two on each side. So, oh, and last but by no means least, a couple of stickers. Not exactly the most detailed ones, and I do notice that there is actually no Land Rover actually on there, so whether or not this vehicle is actually licensed, I'm going to say not, from the lack of genuine Land Rover badges and motifs. But, you know, what can you say for £31.49? well, there you go. I'm certainly very impressed with everything that I've got in the box. And for £31.49, which I say is what it actually cost me, I think it is absolutely superb. It really is. Make sure you keep an eye on my channel, because hopefully I will be following the build and we'll see how it goes. I'll tell you what, actually, just before I go, let's just excuse my posterior a moment. Let's actually just have a look. Let's see how it fits on the chassis. I'll put everything else safely back in the box so that we don't lose anything, because I am an absolute nightmare for things like that. These wheels, by the way, on this, they weren't on the chassis when I got it off mic. These are actually from my very first crawler, my HGP 402, which I absolutely loved. It was the thing that got me into crawling, and all I've done is obviously took the wheels off and sprayed them silver. They were originally black, and there we go. Wow. Yeah, it's going to take a little bit of fettling. I'm going to have to move the wheels around a little bit to shorten them, but I am liking the look of that. Might even have to trim a little bit off the chassis, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully the bumpers will cover that, because I might not keep the stock bumpers. I might actually put some other bumpers on there so that I can add a winch to it, but we'll see how it goes. So keep an eye on the video on my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on the link at the end of the video, and you'll see a link to Mad Mike Worthington's channel, or as I like to call him, the Tamiya God. What he doesn't know about Tamiya is not worth knowing. And I'll add a couple of links to the videos that I've mentioned, like the F350 body that I originally had on this when I took that out for a run. I'll add those on the end, and I say keep an eye open, and if all goes well, you should see a couple of build videos coming from me. So thanks for watching, and you look after yourself. Cheers guys, bye.